Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is another video about fake alerts that are now circulating on the web. In particular, these pop-ups may attack all popular browsers, but primarily Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox are its main targets. The pop-up derives from the website sdotn.pro, sdotn.pro. So it displays some faulty and misleading message saying that you need to click on the allow button to watch the video. Many people do not even intend to watch any video, but somehow they get these pop-ups. So it could be that their computer is troubled by some adware type application. So it is a good idea that you first examine your available applications and get rid of the items that do not look familiar to you, the ones that you do not remember installing directly. This should fix the majority of the issues. However, there is another step you need to do. Let's suppose that you have clicked on the allow button by mistake. So if the allow button was clicked, you will be brought to some other suspicious resources. And that website will be in charge of such redirections, and there may be some other dubious websites that may also display similar misleading content. So to fix these pop-up issues, you need to go to the browser menu, then click on Settings, and then click on Site Settings. Now choose Notifications and check this Allow area and click on this button and select Remove. This should fix the majority of troubles, and such pop-ups should no longer reoccur as long as the adware is not in place anymore. To make sure that your Mac is free of adware, I suggest that you scan your Mac with the reliable antivirus, Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com once the software is downloaded and installed. This is how it looks like. You need to click on Start Combo Scan button after the program updates its antivirus database, and the program will perform free scanning. Note that the antivirus is the part of the premium license only. However, even the trial version will work as a free scanner and will help you to get a clear picture of the threats on your Mac and their direct and exact location. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. As you see, the antivirus section reveals 19 threats found during the scanning, so you may go to this antivirus part and click on Review Results link. This will automatically reveal all threats found during the scanning, and you will be able to find the information about where exactly these threats are located. So afterwards, you may go to the Finder, locate each specific threat, open its location, and remove each threat one at a time. As we said, Combo Cleaner Trial works as a free scanner. It gives a detailed, full report about the location of threats, their quantity, and you may remove these threats manually by going to the specific threat location or automatically, however, with the premium license of the program only.